I'm a sea cow. What sort of animal are you? I'm a regular cow. So what's life like for a sea cow anyway? Well, it's pretty good. I get to swim around all day and people feed me and they plan vacations around me and I'm protected and people put up signs and they travel from all over the place to get a look at me and take pictures with me. How about you, sir? What's life like for a regular cow? Oh.
This week, we pack up the family and head on off to Chassawitzka, Florida. Now, Chassawitzka means hanging pumpkin, and it's also known for its manatees. So we're going to head on out, see what the area has to offer, do a little cave diving, do a little searching, and then we're going to head on back to camp and do up some burgers. But not just any burgers, pumpkin burgers with roasted pumpkin seeds, all done on the Blackstone Grill. So come and join us. We're going to head coast to coast on butter and toast with Marc's on the Grill.
Grab your pumpkin in a can, grab those pumpkin seeds for the top of the bun and some shredded hash browns, and we're even going to try something a little bit different because, man, those are awesome. So we rolled on in with Chester, found our spot, got nice and snug.
Need ya. But this'll pull. But yeah.
Oh, look, you can see that.
Yeah, the tree.
That's the tree mark.
The tree mark, it's from here to here.
That's so cool.
That is not cool.
Okay, so.
That's the poop hose.
Oh, don't show them. I think it already has poop on it.
Nope, it was in fact a brand new hose, so we have no problems there. We hooked up our electrical. Trish decided after we hooked the water hose up that she wanted to give that hose a whirl. So she finished up, washed her hands, we boiled her, pulled the extensions out, dropped the decks, and...
This is the life.
Oh, wait, you gonna fight me? You wanna fight? Come on! Wow! Come on! Come at me, bro!
So now it's time to fire up the Blackstone outside. This is our 22-inch from HSN, 2 burners. Cook on one side, keep warm on the other. Head on inside to get our buns. We're gonna cut those crosswise. Watch your hands doing that. Then a little bit of butter, add a little garlic, or not, entirely up to you. A little on the inside, a little on the outside. And the outside is to hang on to those pumpkin seeds. Now a little bit of slow motion mushrooms and a little bit of sped up onions. Throw in a bowl, add a little butter, save a little bit for the shrooms, a little spin of the spatula, and away we go. There's the prettiest sound in the world right there. Yeah, that spatula speeds things up.
That's inappropriate.
Go ahead and grab the pumpkin, just like that. Little leg on top. Add some breadcrumbs if you want. And then this is your secret weapon. Give those hot chips a little crush and throw them right into the burger. Man, is that good. Get everything mixed up and form as many patties as your hamburger will let you.
No snacks, because we're going to have lovely large burgers.
And here comes a little tip. If you don't want the burger to turn into a baseball on the grill, go ahead and take a spoon and make a big divot in the middle. The burgers will stay the perfect shape, no matter how you cook them. So now what you're going to do is you're going to harness your inner Christopher Reeve from Superman 4 and turn that coal into a diamond, just like that. 6 times. All right, back out we go. Onions are done, mushrooms are done. A little bit of olive oil, because that's healthy. yeah, man, these are as good as they look. Grab that big spatula, push them down nice and hard, get them good and crispy. Now that is a caramelized crispy crust on a burger like no other. Blackstone is fantastic for some of the best burgers and flat top recipes you'll ever make.
You want to put the cheese on the burgers so they start melting? Oh.
Burgers are done, buns are toasted. I'm just going to sit back now and let the food do all the talking. Okay.
These taste like popcorn. No joke.
For the rest of the night. Give me your bun. And then hang tight. You can't hold it there. You gotta hold it underneath. It's gonna fall.
Just
cheese?
Cheese. Hash. That's all I want.
Enjoy the flavor.
There you go. Support it underneath.
Support it underneath.
There you go.
Oh, where'd the hash browns go?
All right, hon. I'm just. Hi. I think they thought we were in Cubs or Scouts or whatever it was. Okay, it's gonna go onto the bun.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Show off, this one's yours. Oh yeah, right, you put mushrooms on yours. For real?
Whoa. Let me see.
Oh.